to the Schroeder Libraries, a tour of the EBSCO user experience. Part 3, Becoming Familiar with More of My Dashboard. For this video, we are going to look at the My Dashboard portion of the EBSCO service available through the Schroeder Library. As a reminder, you can find the EBSCO service under Research Databases at cui.edu/library. Or you can find it more directly at cui.libguides.com/databases. Let's continue our tour. What we'll cover: My Dashboard overview, creating projects within My Dashboard, saving records and searches within My Dashboard. Overview of My Dashboard. Now that you have logged in, let's explore more of the dashboard. To the left side of the screen, there is a heading that says My Dashboard. Under this header, there are a few options. My Dashboard options. Projects: saved, recent activity, holds and checkouts, not used, alerts. The three options from these that you will most likely be using as a beginner are projects, saved, recent activity. Exploring projects in My Dashboard. When you are signed into your free EBSCO researcher account, you can create projects. For example, if you want to collect research in one spot for a specific assignment you are working on, you may want to create a new project to save records. If you are in the project portion of My Dashboard, in the upper right corner there is a circle with a plus sign in the middle of it. To create a new project, click on this button and EBSCO will open up a Create a New Project dialog box. From there you can name your project with up to 255 characters, add a due date, which can be a helpful reminder, add a description up to 300 characters, which may be helpful to annotate goals for your project or assignment. When you are done creating the project, click Create at the bottom of the dialog box to finalize your details. You can search new terms or you can revisit Saved to access previously saved material to add to your project. Let's explore saved and recent activity. Under Saved, there are two options: records and searches. Records. Records or items you have saved from your search will be located here. The number of records you have saved will be located above the saved records. Additionally, you can sort by newest to oldest. To add a record to a project from your saved items, go to the record you would like to add and click on the Tools option, the Kabot menu, and select Add to Project. This will cause a dialog box to appear, and from there you can select your project from the drop-down menu. You can also create a new project from the same dialog box. If you're selecting a previously created project, select Add Now. Upon successful saving, an added banner will appear in the top right corner. Reminder: each of the records will retain certain details about the item and will also include the time it was saved. Searches. Searches is the other option under the Saved category. Searches continued. If you go to your recent activity, you can view your search history and save a search from there. This can be useful if you run out of time and need to revisit the search later, and can help you prevent repetitive searches. Save your searches by clicking on the ribbon icon of a search from recent activities or from the search page itself. These items also list some of the limiters that were selected for that search. When a record is properly saved, there will be a message in the top right corner confirming the record was saved. You can also save the search from the search page, and it will give you more details on databases used and more. You can add more information in the description field of the Save Search prompt box. You can also review the search details and then confirm the saved search. This concludes part 3 of this tutorial. See our next video, part 4, Becoming Familiar with Search Fields. Thank you for watching.